Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix only English songs on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and also your profile section. So right now, the first thing that you should try is go to your profile section. Then go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll down until you find log out. So just try to log out of from your account and then try to log in again and see if you still have that problem. If you still have this problem, then first of all, go ahead and search for Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. And then go to the search section, click on the search bar, and search for Instagram. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find uninstall. And right next to it, you're going to find either open or update. So if you find any updates available, make sure you update your application to the latest version because sometimes when your application is not up to date, you won't get all of the new features. So make sure you update your application and then go back to Instagram and see if your problem is fixed. If not, then try to clear your cache. If you want to do that, just go to your settings and you can go to applications. So just search for apps or applications on your phone. And then once you're here, search for Instagram. Scroll down and then go to storage and click on clear cache here in the bottom. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.